particular downpour of rain over tennis ball-side rocks has hit the town of Villa Mercedes in San Luis over the past few hours, killing one person, damaging cars and homes and injuring residents. Several people received head injuries from hailstrikes. Many of wounded were transferred to various medical centers, especially to the regional polyclinic. The phenomenon broke out around 11 p.m. on a Tuesday. Mainly affected people who were injured in 34th National Festival in narrow streets were frantically running to shelter to protect themselves from being hit by rocks. The fatal victim is a man in 70s who developed decompensation and died in his sins, and Peruvian government news agency confirmed this Friday. Although the hurricane hit Villa Mercedes in different parts of the city after a hot and humid day, the highest concentration of casualties occurred around the Fiesta de la Calle Agnesta, where many were cut and injured there. According to official source, blow cuts to heart and hands, 14 broke glass and dents in the body were the remains of a hurricane that affected 18% of the car and people gathered around one of the most important pedras of the province. The fire department said that the victims were transferred to various medical centers, especially the regional clinic Juan Domingo Perón, due to cuts of their hands. Outside of the party area, the city was also heavily damaged by rocks. Blown roofs, flooded streets, damaged trees and damaged power lines.